This is our first day of a movement of a day Qigong, and I'm so glad, I'm so excited that you're here. Let's just jump right into it. Today we're going to start with hip circles. Just slow, starting out slow, checking your range of motion, seeing how your body's feeling today. Always want to ease into any practice, and then you can expand all the way out to one side, all the way back, all the way to the other side, all the way forward. Really nice lubrication of the joints. In Chinese medicine, this is called silk reeling in Qigong. And silk reeling is the process of just taking the joints through their full range of motion. And when we take our joints through the full range of motion, every day they stay lubricated. And they'll stay being able to go in their full range of motion. Because if we don't do this, they'll stop being able to be in a full range of motion. And this is a great movement. I'm kind of trying to keep my head fairly straight and fairly steady so that I'm getting the movement in the pelvis, and I'm actually getting a little movement in the neck then. And if you watch, I've got my knees moving and my feet. As I roll to one side, my feet go to that side. As I go back, I'm on my heels, other side of my feet, onto my toes. So I'm really working the knees, the ankles, all those little bones in the feet are getting a massage. It's fabulous for the body. Very simple. Let's go the other direction. Now, Qigong is one of the 5 branches of Chinese medicine. You've probably heard of acupuncture. That's another branch. And there's herbal medicine, Chinese herbs. But Qigong is one of those other branches that is used to keep you healthy. And Chinese medicine is focused on not so much treating disease as keeping people healthy. As you're doing this, make sure you're breathing slowly and deeply, in through the nose, out through the nose, bringing the air deep into the belly. Exhaling fully, just a smooth rhythm. Now you can also, while you're doing this, use your fingers to give yourself a little bit of a massage. Pushing in as you're going forward and just rubbing a little bit. You can use your fingers, you could do your fists if that feels good. You can use your thumbs as well. I don't know if you guys can hear that frog over there. I'm about, 30 feet from the pond. So there's a frog talking. And coming back around. So yeah, just a few minutes of this will totally reset your day. Like I was saying in the intro, it doesn't take very long to transform your life. You don't need hours of Qigong. You just need to start and be consistent. Do a little bit every day. And you're going to get those full benefits. Other direction again. So let me know in the comments how this is for you. If you liked it or not, what you'd like to see. If you have any questions, put them down there. I'll respond. I know, I just want to keep going. It feels so good. But that's our movement of the day. So come back tomorrow. We'll do another one.
Thank you for practicing with me today. You did beautifully. I'll see you tomorrow.